What's going on, everybody? This is Kelly coming at you today. Um, so today overall pretty good day. A big part of the success we're having with wholesaling these houses. Within the last year, we've wholesaled 7 or 8 houses, and in about 6 months, we did about 100,000. So things kind of exploded there, but um, just pushing forward, improving a couple percent a day, and just remaining consistent. And it's just tweaking things, getting things dialed in better. And I don't know, you got things that come up sometimes with sellers or buyers or whatever, but try to find creative ways of making things work. And lately it's been kind of an ongoing thing, is printer problems and computer problems. So all I can say is, you want to mess with the settings in your computer, maybe save that YouTube video so you can undo it. That's just a little word to the wise there. But I've taken my computer down to my local computer wizard's place, and they haven't been able to resolve it yet. So I'm thinking about, well, one of the things I do is I have 2 laptops or 2 computers. So if one fails, usually I'll just have that one getting fixed in the shop and use the other one. But now, with the issue I have now, I'm actually using both computers to get the job done. So the one computer works with the printer, where the other one don't, but that's happened before. So then I've got a new printer sitting out in my truck, and I'm just waiting to burn up the remaining ink cartridges because I'm cheap and I don't want to return them. So the printer's starting to eat paper once in a while. It's just time to get a new one. This one here's printed a fair amount of paper. I got an issue with my computer because I messed around with the settings. But right now I'm using one computer to switch over to the other one until I get it completely switched over to where the one's running without the other one. I'm not going to send this one into the shop because I need to keep my printing process, my marketing going. Another thing that I could do, not ideal, because we use this mail merge, but I could print out just a ton of pre-printed letters, and then that way, if I have to write the address on there or their name, I can just write that by hand. And then even if the printer's down, I've got them all pre-printed. So I haven't done that yet, but I could see doing that. Might save a guy. It's either that, or else just write some handwritten letters. We buy houses, but that don't look quite as professional probably. So, but yeah, things come up, and you get help or you find a way around it, and just keep at it. Try to use your head as far as what's the best bang for the buck you're going to get. Like, you don't want to send out, so I do mostly direct mail and letters, so you don't want to send out too many to where you ain't getting enough leads and deals. And some of that, for me at least, came in time of just doing it enough, and then you go on an appointment, you get it locked up, and if you don't get it to the finish line, you're like, aha, okay, well this ain't working, and then maybe we should go after more of the low-hanging fruit, instead of sending out thousands or tens of thousands of letters and only getting a deal or two, to where this other way of doing things, you're getting more deals with less letters. So, and some of that stuff is probably going to be a little dependent on the market you're in, what works in your market. So just keep at it, keep dialing it in, keep tweaking it, keep getting better, getting more efficient. I've got a pretty decent setup right now. I could delve into it more as far as doing a little more research, but it's improved quite a bit, so I'm pretty happy with stuff right now. And then I also do futures trading, and I also have my drywall business. So, and then, you know, I've got my guitar up here. So I always got, you know, different things to do. So keep up with my my puppy. Gonna try to flip this around somehow. I don't know. This screen don't seem to want to flip around. Anyways, Jazzy, come here. Come on up, Jizzer, up. Yeah, there we go. Well, I guess I didn't have to flip the screen around. All right, well, little confidence for you guys. I hope everything's going good on your wholesaling. And if you got any questions, feel free to paste it in the comments below. Have a great one. Kelly out.